Barcode scanners play a central role in industrial vision and identification systems. They are among the most common tools for product identification, often integrated into automated processes to read codes on labels directly marked on products, etched or printed or embedded in surfaces. These scanners use optical technology, traditionally lasers for 1D codes, but increasingly image-based sensors, area imagers or cameras, to capture and decode barcodes reliably in industrial environments. Barcode scanners are available in various form factors: fixed mount units for conveyor lines, robotic cells or process equipment, and handheld units that are user-friendly for semi-automated or manual workflows. Modern industrial scanners commonly support both 1D and 2D code formats. 1D barcodes include UPC and EAN and code 128. 2D codes include QR codes and data matrix. 2D area imagers function as advanced cameras that capture a full image of the code. This allows them to decode both 1D and 2D symbologies, read codes at any orientation with omnidirectional scanning, and handle codes on varied surfaces or materials, even damaged or low-contrast ones. Key advantages of 2D over traditional 1D include significantly higher data capacity, often 100 times more information, built-in error correction, and flexibility in direct part marking applications like laser-etched codes on metal parts in manufacturing, aerospace, or automotive industries. Once decoded, the scanner transmits the data to control systems via interfaces, including USB, Ethernet, or industrial protocols like Ethernet IP. At Automation Direct, we offer reliable barcode scanner solutions, machine-mounted scanners from IFM Effector and di-soric for 1D and 2D codes, handheld and general-duty scanners from Code in wired and wireless options, and rugged Datalogic PowerScan series with drop resistance, IP65 and IP67 ratings, omnidirectional reading, and advanced connectivity. For more details on barcode scanners and their applications in industrial automation, visit AutomationDirect.com today. Click here to learn more about our barcode scanner options. Click here for more videos.